The detached wheatear stitch is a variation of the lazy daisy stitch. Begin by imagining a Y shape. Come out from the tip of one hand of the Y to go in through the center. Do the same on the other tip of the Y. Now, come out from the tip of the tail of the Y shape, go under both these stitches without plucking the fabric beneath, and go in back through the same point. That's it. It looks pretty much like the bull's head stitch. Let's do that one more time. Now, you can also do the stitch in a reverse fashion by making the loop first and then creating the V shape. I personally find it a bit tedious. Which method do you find better? Mention it in the comment. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you for watching.